Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to disable Google Chrome's auto sign in to your Google accounts in your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser, so open lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang click tong tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito sa settings, yung pinaka-una lang na UN Google, and then dito naman sa right side, i-select mo lang yung Signs and Google Service, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Sign and Google Service, dito lang sa Other Google Service, makikita mo dito yung Allow Chrome Sign In, so kailangan mo lang itong i-turn off. So, i-turn off natin to, so click mo lang yan. And then turn off Sign and Personalizations, this will sign out of your Google accounts, your bookmarks, history, password, and more no longer be signed. Okay, so click mo lang tong turn off. Ayan mga kaibigan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano ba natin i-disable yung Chrome's auto sign in. Kung gusto mong mag-resign in again, so click mo lang itong account natin and then kailangan mo lang enter yung password. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.